My name's Ken, and I've been a patient here at Jones Smiles for about 4 years now. For many years I had dealt with my teeth like I feel like a lot of my friends have, and just fix as needed, just let things go that shouldn't be let go, and it finally got to the point where I felt like I really ought to try to do something proactive before I was left with some real problems, and that's when I decided that I needed some serious repair done. As we're talking about why I decided to get work done, it's like I guess I'm more of a practical person, and I kind of compared it to, I had an old furnace that I'd had for 25 years. I've been piecing it and patching it together, so I know that on that cold winter morning, that's when I was really going to have the problem, and I'd seen it happen to other people and my parents, and I didn't want that extreme problem to happen all at one time. I knew it was coming. I had put off the expense as long as I felt like I could, and then it became more of the expense, but more of wanting to improve my life and improve my appearance. And I feel like that's what was accomplished with being here with Dr. Jones.